Welcome to another tutorial where we get to learn how to design with Canva. So again, we're going to head over to templates, and this time we try and design something a little bit more complicated. So from here, we're going to design or actually customize a wedding invitation. So just select on that, and then you can see the different types of wedding invitations we have. Now again, some are paid for and some are free, like this one. So you just scroll until you see the one that you want to use. And then you select it. So I'll select this one, looks cute, customize this template. And then here you go. So again, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see the words. We have the image over here. We have the date, the words over here, the names of the partners, and time and venue as well. So you can edit all these as well as the image. So I'm just going to click on the image. Let's zoom it a little bit and then click on delete. So I'll just delete the image and retain the frame. Now, if you have specific people you're designing for, you just upload the image from over here and then place it here. But right now I just want to search for a married couple. So just type in happy couple, click enter, and then we want the photos, so select that, and then you can see we have these photos of happy couples. Now from here you can select the one that you want to use. So most of them are paid for. They're required to have upgraded to the pro version. I'm going to select this one, it's free. Just going to click and drag it here and then place it in, and there we go. Now we have these little ads over here. I'm just going to remove this and replace it with something else. So back here again, I'll search flowers. Borders. So I want some flower borders. Again, we have graphics, we have photos. Let's go with graphics, and then from here we can make a selection. Yeah, this one looks cute. These ones look nice. Again, you just need to select according to your preferences and what you want to convey in your images. So I'll go ahead and select this one. So it's been added. Find it to be really cute, and again, it Control Z. Just click and drag it. Let's have it over here. Just remove this one. So with our flowers over there, that looks good, and then we can come here and change the names. So instead of resizing, now you can see if I try to resize it, it only makes it worse. What I can do is just double click over here and then reduce the font size, and then now I can resize that as I want. Let's increase the size, and there we go. Let's change the name over here. So I'm putting Anne and Peter. Again, I'll just select this and just resize it like so. There we go, and then you can place it so they're all properly aligned. There we go. That looks perfect, and then you can come over here and change the date. Set it to 2024. We retain everything else. We retain the venue and the time. But this is basically how you can edit your wedding card. You can upload the image of the couple over here, and then go ahead and add little bits of things over here. You can actually go ahead and make it more romantic, but I'll advise to leave it to remain as simple as it is. So I've already shown you how to add icons or images to it, and how to add an image to a frame. So go ahead and try to design something that will require you to change the names or even the font. So if you come over here, you can actually choose a different font. There we go. We'll do the same for the name of the other name. There we go. So you can do a lot of things with the elements that you have here. You can change them to suit your needs. If let's say you want a different flower border, you can remove this one by just clicking and dragging it away. So just clicking and dragging it away. Again, I'll come here for borders. You have all this to choose from. So it's just for you to decide whether you want graphics or photos. Let's go with graphics again, and then from here just select a photo. I'll click on that one. Let's place it there, minimize it. It looks perfect like that. Let's add this one, and that kind of brings it all together. It doesn't overdo or reduce to the detract anything from the template. So we're going to leave it at that. And then once you're done with your design, you'll come to File and then Download. And then we have different file types. If I click over here, you can see we have these 4 different file types. We actually have more than 4, but these are the main ones. I'm going to select the PNG file type and leave it at that. Then click on Download. Now, as you can see, it's downloading from over here. And then I'll just click on here. And this is the final product of what we made.